Hello there, this is Micron. Now we're looking at the weekly forex forecast and update. This is the end. We're looking at the NZDUSD, NZDCHF, GBPNZD, and GBPAUD currency pairs in this video. Now, before we get started, let's take a look at the product that I offer. The premium forex signal service goes for $200 $200 monthly. And what we offer here are highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. So if you are interested, copy my direct Telegram contacts in the description below, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's bring you on board. That is, we'll talk about that in a few minutes. Let's get into the business of the day. NZDUSD. You can see that my prediction that the price will come into the zone and fall off has happened, and it's happened this week. That was Thursday candle and the Friday candle. Now the NZDUSD is a bearish pair right now, so there's a possibility it's going to be a big move. Who knows? Now this is what we had in the weekly, a bearish pin bar. Now the daily, what did we have in the daily? We had this really massive bearish move. So it's, I think I favor more of the bears in this market. Now going into the new week, if we see price push into this 0.59858 zone and give us a bearish day close above that zone, then we should look for an opportunity to buy the market. And since it's a bearish market, don't overstay your welcome. Don't look out for too much in the buys. Just go for like a 1-to-1 and 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, or even less. Or you can even go for more, but make your first target a 1-to-1 and then roll your stops to see if it could keep pushing higher. That's what I'll be looking out for the bullish scenario. For the bearish scenario though, if price comes back into the zone and gives us a double top, right, and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would be looking for an opportunity to join this to sell. And there's a possibility it's going to be a major sell from that place, because it's a bearish market, and we see that the bears are really coming into the market big time. Right now, let's go to NZDCHF. Now for NZDCHF, what we have here is quite crystal clear. The market has been bearish for years, right, for many years. So what do we see? What do we expect? This is what I'll be looking out for. For NZDCHF, if price comes into the 0.54468 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll be looking for an opportunity to buy. But because it's a bearish market, I won't be looking for too much in the buy. Maybe a 1-to-1 and roll stops and see if it would keep pushing higher, right? But for a bearish scenario, if I see price push into the zone, I think that will take some time beyond this week, or beyond the new week. If I see price push into the 0.56728 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I will look for an opportunity to sell, join the sell trend, and make a lot of money from that. That is for NZDCHF. Now for GBPNZD. GBPNZD, yes, what's GBPNZD telling us? Quite a bullish pair right now, although I would call this more like a range. Yeah, I see more like a range, but in the immediate, it's more like a bullish move. So what do I expect? Let's see. For the daily, this is what I would expect. If price push into the zone, I think I'm more comfortable with this zone. If price push into the 2.10084 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should look for an opportunity to sell, right? And not look out for too much in the sell, but look out for a sell. But if we get price give us a double bottom and give us a bullish close above that zone, above this 2.06291 zone, then we should look for an opportunity to buy the market from there, right? But if price doesn't do that, if price breaks below and comes into this 2.05307 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we can also look for an opportunity to buy from that point as well. So that's for GBPNZD. Let's move to GBPAUD. For GBPAUD, let's see the monthly. Well, quite a bullish pair right now. Same thing in the weekly, daily as well. So what should we expect? Well, quite simple. If we see price break down into the, if we see price come into the one, actually we can use this first. If we see price come into the 1.91085 zone and give us a bullish day close above that zone, then we can look for an opportunity to join the bullish move, look for a buy, right? And even some people will call that a head and shoulder pattern, considering what has happened right here. Right, they can call that a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders it's called. Yeah, so we can look at that as an inverted head and shoulders, right? Now if price also comes back into this zero, if price comes down into this 1.90102 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, still the same idea. It has a potential to buy, right? But if price pushes into the 1.95206 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I think it has more potential. Then I think we should look for some sells. And because it's a bullish market, what do? Yes, we do not overstay our welcome. We look for possibly a one-to-one and roll our stops and see if it will drop lower than that, right? Don't overstay your welcome trading. Don't overstay your welcome with counter trend trades, right? It's not wise to do so in any market condition whatsoever at all. Don't try to pick the tops. Don't try to pick the turnaround points of the market. Now that's for the, I think we're done with that. Let's take a look at our product again. The premium forex signal service. I can't emphasize enough how important this is to your trading. It will take your trading to the highest possible level. I only post high probability trading signals. Many people have seen trading as an activity, something that keeps them boosted, keep the adrenaline running and rushing. But trading is supposed to be an activity that would yield profits, right? And this premium forex signal service would help you make really substantial profits, really massive profits, because I only post high probability trading signals on this channel, right? So you can join us for $200 monthly. There's an incentive. If you refer anybody, you get a 10% commission for the referral, and that is what we do. Yes, that's what we do. Help people to make a lot of money trading the forex market, ignoring any other thing out there and just focusing on what actually works. That is what we do. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe also to the premium forex signal service. Bye for now.